Want your edits to feel smoother and more professional in CapCut? Today you will learn how to add clean transitions. Fast. Step 1. Put 2 clips on your timeline. If you only have 1 clip, split it first. Click the clip. Move the playhead. Press split. Step 2. Click Transitions on the top menu. You will see categories on the left and transition tiles on the right. Scroll to explore. When you find one you like, click the star to save it to favorites. Step 3. Preview before you use it. Click a transition once. Look at the player. If it feels too flashy, choose a simpler one. Step 4. Add the transition. Drag it and drop it right on the cut between the 2 clips. A small block appears on the timeline. That block is your transition. Step 5. Adjust the duration. Click the transition block. On the right, change duration. Short looks modern. Try 0.3 to 0.8 seconds. Long transitions are better for travel or slow scenes. Step 6. Replace or remove it. To replace, drag a new transition onto the same cut. To remove, click the block and press delete. Step 7. Keep your style consistent. If you like one transition, click apply to all. Now every cut matches. Last tip. If your audio pops on the cut, add a tiny fade on the audio clips. That is it. Smooth transitions, done. Follow for more CapCut shortcuts.